In this video, we're going to be comparing the Mototec 36 volt 1000 watt dirt bike to a Razor dirt bike. This specific Razor is an SX500, but the same applies to an MX650 and an MX500. They're all the same battery, controller, and motor, and they all get about the same top speed. Now stock, the Razor got about 16 to 18 miles per hour. There are some variability based on manufacturing, and the Mototec gets about the same, about 18 miles per hour. It does have some neat features that you can change the speed and torque for different riders or beginners. So that is a nice feature on the Mototec. Another nice feature about the Mototec is that it has a key here to turn the bike on and off for anti-theft purposes, and it does have a battery display up here and a motor kill switch. Both bikes have mechanical front and rear disc brakes. The Mototec also has a nice cushy suspension for off-road riding. Compared to the Razor definitely is a lower price point suspension, but it is manageable for on-road and light off-road riding. Now the price point on a Razor is several $100s less than the Mototec, so it depends on what your budget is. Now I've since upgraded both of these bikes to a 48 volt battery and retain the stock motor and controller. Now the Razor does get about 22 miles per hour top speed. That's an increase of 5 miles per hour with the 48 volt battery, also longer range. You can see here I had to add this heat sink to the motor because on long off-road rides with heavier riders over 100 pounds, sometimes the motor would overheat. But since I put the heat sink on, it has dissipated the heat and I no longer have that issue. Now the Mototec with a 48 volt battery, it does get better range. It also gets better top speed of 24 miles per hour. This is a 1000 watt motor. It probably now peaks at over 1200 watts, and it is a much improved bike compared to the stock setup. The stock controller can handle it. I've been riding this for quite some time and no issues thus far, so I'm happy with both of these builds. Now comparing the Mototec and the Razor sizes, that you can see they're about the same height. I'm 5'8". You can see that I can comfortably sit on both of these bikes. And then if I come over here, the SX500, I can definitely sit on this without an issue. Now the MX650 and the MX500, the seat is about an inch shorter, so it is a little more crammed for an adult rider compared to the SX500 frame, but both of these are comparable. They both have 10-inch rear tires by 3 inches wide. The front tire is a little bit bigger on the Mototec 36 volt. It's a 12-inch tire compared to the 10-inch, but the MX650, MX500 has also a larger front tire. Now, this bike in a 48 volt 1600 watt version, it is the exact same frame. The motor, however, goes to brushless, so it's 1500 or 1600 watts, and the tire size go up by 2 inches, 14 in the front, 12 in the rear, so it sits a little bit higher, but overall the frame is identical. So now that you can see the different sizes, I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. Thanks for watching.